What's up guys, my name is Mike Sherrard and welcome to High Converting Content. Super excited to put this video out to you because a lot of people have been asking for it. What is high converting content? How did I come up with it? What services do we offer? Who have we worked with? Who do we work with? So I'm gonna break all of that down for you in this video. I'm going to talk to you about the vision and the motive behind this company and why so many people are excited about it right out of the gate. So let's just get straight to it. What is high converting content? High converting content is a full service content creative agency that does content marketing, social media marketing, personal branding, as well as consulting and content repurposing. So I'll break down the services in a couple seconds here, but what I want you to understand first is how it came about. How did I go from doing what I was doing previously to creating high converting content? So let me give you the Coles notes of it. Over the last couple of years, I've understood the power of building a personal brand. I use my own personal brand in order to stand out in real estate, end up doing quite well in that industry, and become a globally recognized brand in this space. And I started realizing the power of sharing your story, but creating content that actually engages and actually converts. Because what I was seeing is there was a lot of people that were putting effort into creating content, but it was all falling flat. And they were getting frustrated because their content wasn't getting any engagement. And because it wasn't getting any engagement, it wasn't converting into any sales or any tangible results. Now, along the same time frame, I started seeing a lot of these entrepreneurs like Gary Vaynerchuk, Peng Joon, talking about content repurposing. And what that is when you take one form of pillar content, so usually a longer form video, and ultimately you turn that into multiple pieces of micro content, which is exactly what I wanted to do. That's how you stand out on social media. That's what all the top entrepreneurs are doing, and that's what they're telling you to do. So last year got to the point where I was creating so much content for each individual platform, and I was editing it myself, that I was becoming overwhelmed, that it was taking away from my income producing activities. So I started searching for an agency that would repurpose my content, edit it for me, distribute it for me, manage it, optimize it, do everything for me, because I was fine with creating content. I could sit in front of the camera, that's no problem. What became taxing and very time consuming was everything that happened after that. So what I wanted to do was kind of blend that. I wanted to say, well, what happens if we give this service that every entrepreneur is saying they want and also do it in a way that converts and drives actual sales? So that was sort of the motive behind how I created high converting content. We've now got a team of 27 individuals. I have an incredible co-founder, and we're actively working and bringing on people on a weekly basis, almost a daily basis now, which is absolutely incredible. So who have we worked with? We privately behind the scenes have worked with some of the most incredible entrepreneurs, and I'm honored to say this. We worked with people like Gerard Adams, who is one of the most well-known influential entrepreneurs and had an exit for $50 million. We worked with Ashley Han, who's one of the #1 female podcast hosts and a brand specialist. We worked with Brian Nabavi, the founder of Till You Collapse Clothing, as well as Vital Mind CBD. I've worked with Steve HOLBROOK, who's one of the top 1% network marketing leaders. We've worked with Tony WHATLEY, who is one of the #1 business coaches. So we've worked with so many incredible entrepreneurs, but the best part is I made this so that anybody at the 6-figure level up to the 9-figure level can afford it. I didn't want to do it in a way that was unattainable for most people because I understand the importance of doing this. So I made it so that we have a package for every single person, regardless of what your bracket of income is. So now let's chat for a quick second about who we do work with, what types of people we work with, and then I'll break down each and every one of our services, which is really incredible. I'm excited to share this with you. So we have been working with a lot of real estate agents, naturally, because of my past history, but we've also been working with a lot of fitness coaches, public speakers, authors, e-commerce brands, and the like. So we've worked with the entire spectrum of people. We worked with product-based entrepreneurs, service-based entrepreneurs, you name it, we've done it, and we're going to continue to do it. So we like to work with a broad range of people, but we are very selective with who we work with. We want to make sure that this is a long-term partnership. We're not just here to serve you content for a month and then that's it. We want to make sure that this is a lasting relationship. I am the one doing all of the onboarding calls, and I am the one that's making sure that we are going to be a great fit for each other. Now, what are the services that we offer? The #1 service that we have that people are coming to us for is the content repurposing. And basically the gist of that, all you have to do is record the content. You simply send us your raw, unedited footage. Our team professionally edits it with all kinds of incredible branding, motion graphics, video overlays, and makes it really dynamic to increase your watch time and engagement. And then they repurpose it for every single social media platform. And then it gets optimized and then further gets distributed. So from start to finish, we handle it all the way from the editing to the posting. We do it in a way that will help you monetize over time. So if you want to know more about monetizing your content, drop a comment below or send me a DM and I'll gladly chat to you about that. But but that's one of my biggest focuses, is helping every single one of our clients monetize their content and monetize their brand so they start to create multiple profitable recurring revenue streams. Now, the second service we offer is one for a bit of a higher ticket entrepreneur, usually between the 7 and 8 figure range or the high 6-figure range. And what this is 6 months of content in just 2 days. So what this service is for somebody that wants to save a ton of time, wants the best quality, and wants to have a strong foundation that drives massive action to whatever they're selling, whether it be a product or a service, and builds a powerful foundation that ultimately creates a movement and a community of fans. So what we do with 6 months of content in 2 days, we look at your brand and business, we break it down entirely, and we go through and create all of the scripts for the 24 weekly highest converting videos you can imagine that will help you build a powerful, influential foundation on YouTube, as well as repurpose for every social media platform. So we eliminate all of the effort for you. We do the filming with the production team. We do the scripts for you. We give you the video topics. We do everything start to finish. We also give you custom audio branding so that you get your own unique sound. We edit everything. We distribute it for you. And then we also create custom sales funnels so that we can monetize it with whatever you're trying to achieve so that you're starting to make good money from your content as well. So this is our second most popular service, 6 months of content in 2 days for the entrepreneurs that want to save a ton of time. They want a production team to just film it for them. They don't want to have to think about the video topics because we do all the research to find the proven strategies of what's going to convert the highest with their target avatar and audience. And you just sit back and let us work our magic. Now, the third service is documentaries and VSLs, or video sales letters. So we work with a lot of influential entrepreneurs who either want a story about them or they want to sell high ticket items at scale. The best way to do that is with a video sales letter, or what's called the VSL. With the documentaries, this again, the intent is with a multi-person, in-person, full elite level production team. And what we do is we create a very impactful and emotional documentary that's usually between 15 and 20 minutes long over the course of 2 to 3 days. The intent of this is to engage your audience on the deepest, most emotional level, to build a connection with you so that they start to see you as an authority, become a raving fan, and have the utmost loyalty for you as an entrepreneur. We've been seeing incredible results with this, including a massive increase in retention, a massive increase in lifetime value, increase in product sales, and everything. So these are Hollywood grade. They're as best as you can get. So this is for, again, entrepreneurs that want to take it to the next level and be seen as the Tony Robbins or the Gary Vee of their industry. Similarly with the VSLs, this is an incredible way for our clients to, again, convert at scale with any of their services that they offer. Now, the second last service, number 4, is social media and content marketing. We have a full team dedicated to Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and ClickFunnels high converting funnel strategies. So if you're an entrepreneur, product-based, service-based, local business, whatever the case might be, we use the most innovative, creative strategies. Trust me, I understand social media marketing like the back of my hand, but the stuff that we've done is a cut above the rest. We have the most incredibly talented local team here, and they are crushing it, getting 3 to 6 times RAS on average, so return on ad spend. And we've even seen outliers up to 92 times return on ad spend. So we've got an amazing team. We're getting epic results. So if you want to drive more traffic, more sales, more leads, then this is the service for you. We can work it from every single angle. We build out custom strategies so that you know the best way to get the most amount of clients. And finally, service number 5, we have consulting. So a lot of people reach out to me for consulting on their personal brand as well as their marketing strategies or their business strategy. I do consult people one-on-one. I will create custom personal brand strategies for you where we break down your brand, we understand your mission, your why, your vision, and we create a very sticky, powerful, influential brand that is going to become recognized on a global scale. And we create the content, blueprint, and execution strategy to allow you to bring that to life. I also consult on marketing strategies, breaking down what you're currently doing and building it back up with higher converting strategies, which is amazing. The results we get with that and the feedback we get with that is incredible. And finally, just simple business strategy. Whether you need to know what your next move is, you feel like you've plateaued, you don't know where to go, I will help you get there. I've got mentors including Gerard Adams, Andy Frisella, and Mylett. So I take a lot of the incredible information that they've taught me, put it to practice, and then help you take your business to the next level. So if you have any questions about any of the services that we offer, or you just want to inquire and have a strategy call with me, drop a comment below. I'll include all our information in the description. Thank you so much for listening. I'm excited. We've been bringing on a ton of people, and I'm so excited that you guys are equally as excited about this journey as I am. So we're going to put out a ton of epic content coming forward. Make sure you subscribe. Please give me a little thumbs up, and we will see you next time.